Let's take a look at experimental training methods. Broadly speaking, trainers can use traditional methods, including lectures and discussions, or experimental methods, which trainees learn through doing. Experimental learning methods rely heavily on an effective debrief. Debriefs are a special type of discussion, addressed here separately because of when to use them as part of training and development activities. Debriefing participants after completing an exercise confirms the learning that took place in the activity. Debriefs also provide an opportunity for participants to reflect upon what they've just experienced, which deepens their understanding. Cases represent a common method of instruction. In fact, some collegiate courses and even some graduate programs teach exclusively using the case method. Cases involve trainees reading and analyzing a situation. The trainees then engage in developing alternative solutions to the problem or situation presented. The simplest explanation for role plays is that they involve trainees acting out a scenario to better understand a concept or how to handle a situation. Trainers who choose role plays need to make two key choices. First, whether to use scripted or unscripted role plays, and second, whether participation should be modeled or participatory. In-basket activities, a form of situational judgment tests, combine elements of both cases and role plays. While they're commonly accepted for organizational selection, research has shown situational judgment tests are effective for training purposes. In some ways, in-baskets are like mini cases, but after analyzing the situations, individuals need to take some action. However, in-baskets are not full role plays because there's not another person to interact with and there's not a full script. In many instances, trainers use games as icebreakers, short activities used at the beginning of training sessions to help everyone be engaged. Simulations are designed to replicate real-world situations and to be interactive. The goal is for the person in the simulation experience to have real-time impact on decisions and actions. Because of their complexity, simulations can be difficult and expensive to both create and use. However, they may be the best way to train and develop individuals when the needed skill or ability is critical to success and survival. When deciding which methods to use, several factors facilitate the decision.